is going to be pervasively changing everything we do. And the rest of what you will hear about in the next 3 days is about unpacking this. Is from a company, Sandvik. They build industrial automation machinery that does high precision work. They built a cloud application, do predictions, preventive maintenance. You can in fact go back and see what is the causal effect or what is the causation. We need to distribute the logic that they've written in the cloud and make them so much more faster. And to show you this demo, I wanted to invite up on stage Sam George from our IoT team to sort of illustrate how this intelligent cloud and intelligent edge is already working. Sam?
Thank you, Satya. Good morning, everyone. So the machine that you see costs over $1 million. It has over 900 moving parts. Any of those parts that break down could cause an interruption to that machine. And this machine doesn't exist in isolation. Time to one machine can cause delays that cost millions of dollars per hour. So let's take a look at what they're doing. They're using a combination. They simply trigger an Azure function. So if there's a local network interruption, and they had to develop that again. So now the picture starts to look dramatically different. And what's nice about that is you get a nice symmetry at very low latency. So what you see here is a set of factories across the globe, and I'm going to open one of them up. So these are all the different machines on this factory floor. With this new capability that we've developed, and this capability in the cloud, we can now simply take that logic and export it. And they get packaged up into portable Docker containers. But there's a really important one I want to draw your attention to. Be sent to the cloud, we could do dramatically better. So these packages that I exported are now available. We're going to activate them dramatically. So I go ahead and click deploy. It's now downloading and running to protect these $1 million machines. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sam. I mean, that shows you the simple but powerful illustration of how you can take logic, distribute it to, in this case, improve response times. Now let's take it to the next logical step. In fact, let's take it to the extreme. You know, when you think about the last, say, 20 years or so, one of the most profound changes that we've seen, something like search, where all the text that was ever created could get indexed and searched, reasoned over. I mean, we're crawling all the time. We're able to understand all of the world's text and then to serve it up, knowing what's in it. Just imagine if we can do that with any physical place. Suppose we can create these digital twins of a hospital. Fundamentally, you could start reasoning about people in the place. When you can start setting policy, that can absolutely change lives and make sure that some of the, in fact, there was a survey, impact some of the technology that we have now can have. When you have lots and lots of devices in a place and you're creating a mesh, in fact, an ad hoc data center gets created pretty much nowadays in a factory floor or at home or anywhere else. Things like computer vision on a commodity camera